Hello friends, welcome to our channel Halluvia, and here today we are going to make a video for Boat speaker. This is a 3-watt Boat 200 black color. There are three colors: orange, blue and black. So I had selected the black one, and it's a water resistance and because and dust proof, so you can see that it is rubberized, so generally don't get much of a dust, and it has a holder also, so you can mount it. And this is the slot which is available, and one is aux and one is USB charging. You need to close it so that it is water resistant. And there are the when you switch it on, here it's showing the blue light. That means it can be scanned and paired to a Bluetooth device. Whereas if I connect it through a you could say an aux cable like this, it's turned green. Now it will not be searched to a Bluetooth device, or you cannot connect it, or you cannot scan it in a Bluetooth device. So this is a slight advanced feature. Then when you connect it through an aux cable, the green light will be there, and if you disconnect it, the blue light will be there. And when the battery is low, it will be red light. The blinking means that it is not yet connected to any of the device. So let me connect to one of the devices, and it's showing, you can see it's showing connected, and the music comes connected for media. Now the next thing is the maximum volume. So you can increase the volume through this. This sound means that it is at the maximum and it cannot go beyond this. Now let's play from highest to lowest volume some music so that we can identify. So let's select a song, and I'll show you the quality of the music also. So let's select a song. Bass boosted song, so I shall select it. Let's see, just a small.
Get flat 40% off with no minimum order value. Download the Domino's app now.
This is the maximum volume. And from here you can directly control the play option. So this is the middle button for play and pause, and even receiving the call. So you can see the bass is also coming, and there is no buzzing sound, any other sound you can find it, and it's quite well. And now I'll reduce the sound, and I'll show that what is the how does the sound reduces in this, and how much percentage. This is the minimum sound, and this will be the maximum sound. So this is the quite good sound, and now it is connected to a Bluetooth. If I connect this cable in the aux, Now if I play, it's not playing, because now what is happening, that it is, the priority is for this cable now, so it's not playing. So I will connect it through the, I'll switch off the Bluetooth and connect it via aux cable to the phone, and you can see it's connected now. This green light is showing that it is connected to the aux. Let's see how much bass this small speaker has. So I'll play the tune at the maximum volume and let's see the ripples in this water, so that we can identify whether this is actually throwing the bass or just not up to the mark. Let's try this. So in another 15 to 20 seconds you will come to know. So friends, you can see very well that yes, definitely it is throwing a bass, so that is quite good. And noise is quite loud. You can sit in a corner of a room and it can very well clearly heard across the room. So if a companion with a phone, it's definitely a good one, and it's a small size, hardly you could say just let me show you, just hardly 3 inches by 3 inches max to max, and it has a carrying option also. So friends, and now at last what I promised, the price. So the price of this is around 1400, and I had shared in the description link to Amazon, where you can directly buy. Thank you friends, kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you.